good morning class. I had already discussed about the components of a network in the previous video. So now we are continuing this lesson, and today onwards I will discuss about the different types of a network. So here the different types of network are given below. The first network is LAN. So LAN is basically known as a local area network, and then after second type is MAN. So MAN stands for metropolitan area network. WAN, this is the third type of network, and WAN stands for wide area network, and the another type of network is VPN या फिर PAN. So VPN is stand for a virtual private network, and PAN stand for a personal area network. So we will discuss about one by one. So the first network is LAN. So LAN stand for local area network. So here this is a terms local. So local meaning for this type of network is covered only a one building या फिर one universities या one school. So suppose that if you want to connect all these computer in one school या फिर computer lab, so this type of network we are mostly used in this type of area. So local area network is a computer network that covers only a small graphical area, usually within a square miles or less. So such as an office, homes or a building. So this type of network does not consist of more than 100 computer. So this local area network is only covered in the small area. So that type of network is called local area network. And then after the second type of network is metropolitan area network. So here metropolitan area network means here this is a diagram. So this type of network is basically covered 20 kilometer or 10 kilometer or 160 kilometer. So this is a distance, means this type of distance is connected या फिर join all these computer in this range. So here the definition is metropolitan area network. MAN is designed to extend over the entire city. Means suppose that if you want to connect the all computer in the entire city, then this type of network are basically used. So it may be a single network as a cable, TV network, or by means of connecting a number of LANs into a larger network so that the sources may be shared in two different segments. MAN is totally owned and operated by a private company or maybe a service provider by a public company. So this type of network is controlled by the private company. So that type of network it is known as a metropolitan area network. And the third one is WAN. So WAN, it is called the wide area network. Means suppose that if you want to connect your PC from India to any other countries like America, Japan, then this type of network we are mostly used. So that is a WAN. So WAN is a system of many interconnected computers over a large geographical area such as cities, state, countries or even the whole world. So suppose that if you want to connect and make the network as a cities, state, countries or even the whole world, then we can use wide area network. Then the another type of network is VPN. So VPN stands for virtual private network. So here VPN uses a technique known as tunneling to transfer data security on the internet to a remote access server on your workplace network. So VPN is mostly used for this tunneling technology. So tunneling technology to transfer the data security. The next type of network is PAN. So PAN stands for personal area network. So here personal area network is a computer network used for communication among various electronic devices like computer, mobile phone. So computer and mobile phone have a Wi-Fi, yeah, Bluetooth. So with the help of this technique, yeah, this technology, we can easily to connect all these computer, yeah, mobile phones together and set and connect and make a one network. And this network it is called personal area network. Then lastly we will discuss about the CAN. So CAN stands for campus area network. So this type of network is a computer network made for interconnection of two or more local area network within an unlimited area. So this type of network is larger than a local area network but smaller than a wide area network. So this is a basic information about the different types of networks. So thanks for watching this videos.